good. See you soon.
See you.
Hey guys.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, all good.
Hi, are you okay?
Oh, great service, thanks. Hi guys.
Hi, are you right?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Very good.
Good. I feel like it's been ages.
I know, it has been.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Bill!
Hey guys, how
So
are we?
good to see you.
Long time no see.
Oh, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
You okay?
That's a nice little surprise.
Yeah.
Good. It's been so long.
I know.
Hey, okay. Good, thank you. How's it going? Always.
How are you? You okay?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, good.
Good.
Not too bad. Alright, hello.
You right?
Of course it's raining.
Good to see you.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Hi Ash, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Alright, how are you? How is everyone?
Good, thank you. You okay?
Oh yeah. Of course it's raining though, isn't it?
Oh, it's always raining.
We got Wally. This is today's. Isn't it cute? A little one though. And it opens up. You know when he does the rubbish bit.
That's cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you little redhead. You okay?
Yeah, alright. Okay.
Yes, good.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
I wasn't ignoring you anyway.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are we?
Good. You
Good.
okay? How's London?
Good. Far away.
Yeah, it's definitely a welcome back with the weather, isn't it?
Hello, stranger.
Hi, you okay?
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back.
So the
Where's
beautiful
my little
weather.
baby Sarah?
Should be in.
Yeah.
You'll be first to know. Hey. Oh,
Teach-
golf club.
We're teaching Ffion.
Nice.
Me and Charlie decided that this was the only opportunity we could teach Ffion.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
good.
hope the weather gets better then.
I know, that's what we were thinking as well, but if we can teach Ffion in the rain, we can teach you in the sun.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Afternoon.
How are you?
Oh, this is.
So long.
Yeah.
Yeah, you okay?
Oh yeah, okay.